I'm Janine Burkett. I'm the Director of Network Engineering and Project Management. I work with all the sites at L2L to implement L2L and use L2L on a regular basis. L2L struggled with visibility into their downtime as a whole, as well as coming up with calculations for return on investment for capital funding. Downtime, absolutely 100%. The lack of understanding of our machines not being able to produce product was the single point of failure for all of the organization. There were a couple of reasons. The opportunity for ease of use in a very user-friendly GUI environment for our exciting young team members, but also easy to use for the tenured employees was really important. Secondarily, the option to grow into other areas of the facility, like spares, safety, anything along those lines really added value. The use case was within the first day of training. It took us 6 weeks to go live, but by the day that we were live, everybody had heard about it, everybody had been trained, and they started putting dispatches in right away. Really, they're using breakdowns and preventative actions or corrective actions. We really focused specifically our go live on those two areas to help make sure that users got comfortable with it, could put in things without question, and get responses. It helped train everyone. We quickly, however, have grown into our safety dispatches and our quality dispatches, and they're working great. I would definitely say they're more connected to our maintenance teams. There was quite a gap between the operator and the maintenance teams in terms of request and response time, but L2L Dispatch has closed that gap tremendously. Right now, mostly it's preventative maintenance versus reactive maintenance, and paying attention to what we can do to influence a shift to more preventative and less reactive maintenance, just to help our downtime reduce. So in addition to the comparison of the two, just downtime as a whole is a metric that we pay attention to, and then whether or not we're hitting our demand based on that downtime. Yeah, we hope to improve our operators' understanding of the demand at each machine that they work at, so that we're not spending wasted time on overproducing. We also hope to venture into the safety side of the business, as well as diving into some of these custom applications we can build. Yeah, we have a total of 5 facilities slated to use the system. We have 3 live now, and the 4th one is in process, but they're all very excited to use it.